Hi there everyone and welcome back to the Weather Centre. A high pressure has moved to the east of the country today and the circulation around it continues to push in cool and moist air for some parts of the country, in particular along the escarpment and the low veld areas where it's been mostly cloudy and there have even been a few drops of rain in places. That cloud has also pushed far onto the high veld, including around Gauteng. That's kept temperatures quite cool across the area for today. Heading into tomorrow, due to that moisture that's in circulation overnight, we could have some fog developing over the eastern high ground of the country, but by afternoon it will be partly cloudy, dry and quite a bit warmer all across the area. Mostly clear as we head further westwards on Monday afternoon, but by evening a very weak and slow moving cold front will just touch the southwest coast and there could be a few drops of rain into that region. Here's your detailed forecast, and for KwaZulu-Natal it will be a partly cloudy afternoon. There is a very small chance for a couple of thunder showers for the interior, but the chances are really quite low. It's going to be a much warmer day for this province. Sunshine for the Eastern Cape, and after a cold morning, especially over the mountainous areas, it will be a particularly warm afternoon for this area. Lovely weather expected further westwards, somewhat cooler along the south coast. Mossel Bay, George and Plettenberg Bay all reaching a high of 22 degrees under partly cloudy conditions. Partly cloudy for much of the day for Cape Town as well as the rest of the Western Cape coastline, but we are expecting a few drops of rain in the area later on, perhaps some drizzle around the peninsula. The Northern Cape, on the other hand, will remain rain-free, and it's going to be another very cold morning for some of the southern parts, and in the afternoon hot weather expected for just about all of this province. For the Free State, some cloud cover moves in over Harrismith, otherwise it's going to be mostly clear, chilly at first for most places. And in the northwest, some cloud cover moves in overnight all the way through to Mahikeng as well as Klerksdorp, but as the day goes on, that cloud cover will start thinning out. Into Limpopo, where it will also be a dry afternoon, Tsenin gets to a warm temperature of 29 degrees later on. And for Mpumalanga, there is a very small chance for a couple of isolated showers over the southern high veld, but those will be clearing out as well later on in the day. Bombela, you get 28 degrees after a pleasant start at 14. And finally, into Gauteng, partly cloudy weather expected. A warmer day lies ahead for your area, and we do not expect any rainfall for this area. Taking a look at your wind forecast, we see mostly light winds over the country, but becoming breezy at times for parts of the Karoo, and another day with moderate northeasterly winds expected for Richards Bay. On Tuesday, most areas will be dry. There could be some early morning drizzle for George, and by evening, light rain possible for Durban. It will still be a warm afternoon, reaching 28. And on Wednesday, cloudy and wet weather settles in over the far eastern parts, while it's going to be dry and hot for the high veld and further westwards. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.